yesterday I posted a trade idea, um, and I'll start for people who haven't watched the video. So I entered short here. I was expecting the trade down to this area into the 1 hour FVG. Um, so what actually the market did go, and it did take out my trade here, the first trade, and after it got down here, I pretty much took the same trade and it actually went into this IVG area. So like that was almost a 3-to-1 ratio. Even if you took like first target here, 2-to-1, and roughly here, that'd be a 3-to-1. So great trade. After it broke down again, never came back up. And yeah, that was a good trade. And what happened, it actually came down to this even lower, down, taking out this low here. I mean, if you wrote it all the way down, that's almost 4-to-1 R. But yeah, I was happy with the 2-3 R. And after, so took this out, and now let's mark out. Let's go over today's range and see what's going on. So we'll start off with the daily. Again, I like to mark out my every day. Start with the daily. Go over Monday's range again. See where we're at. So Monday's range is here. That's range high. Monday's range low. And we totally rejected actually, right? Pretty much yesterday, right off Monday's range high. Manipulated a little higher, and we're back down into this mid-range, Monday's range. So that's where we're at. Let's go to the 4 hour here, and let's mark out. So Friday, this was previous day. That was Friday's previous day. Previous day. So last week's high, so I still, like I said, still bearish from this strong weekly bearish candle here from last week's close. And this was a high. This was the low. So we didn't take out last week's low yet. Let's go to the 4 hour. So right now we're working in, I'm still trading in this Monday's range. We had a rejection here. Let's break this down. Let's go to the 1 hour. So we're in Monday's range. We had rejected off this Monday's range, and I do think we will close the week below this range here. But we need to wait for the setup. So still short bias as we reject this Monday's high and last week or previous day, which was Friday's high. So I think we do push down here. But let's mark out London's. That's Asia. Again, if we close say back here, let's see if we could, this would be a liquidity zone here. So that'd be like first target, second target. I'll still go short. Let's see if it sets up. Below high. So I think we'd take this region here. That'd be a nice for break structure. There's an order block right here. This 15-minute order block. Break structure below this order block. And I would be looking for a short down here. Even this. So 2.5R. Because we're right now probably, let's see, mid-range between Monday's range. So from here to here, just, well, not quite. I think we're above. Making so a lower low. And I think we're, like I said, I think we're still pushed down. Here, possibly take out Monday's low, but still looking short. My bias anyways. I mean, if we do go long, look for a long to go back up this high. Let's see what that would look like. Yeah, I'd only go long, like if we take out Monday's low and reclaim, then go back up here. But for today, I think I'm still gonna go buy a short. Like you only need 1 or 2 trades a day. You don't want to overtrade. So that's, I mean, we're still consolidating. Wednesdays are typical sideways days anyways. So we had the drop yesterday, a little rally back up, and now we're back overnight. We had a, what was it, Tuesday? Yeah, drop, little rally. I think we go lower. Still short bias. That's what I'm seeing in the market for today.